While driving, I heard a very loud noise, and when I got home, I've noticed that the bolt is missing and the sway bar bracket is loose. Apparently, the thread is gone, so I cannot just screw the bolt anymore, so we're gonna fix it. This is the tool that we will use today. It's a ToolPro thread repair kit. This is all the equipment that's included. It's made for different holes. It's for M5, M6, M8, M10, and M12 bolts. For today's project, we're gonna use the M8 with the 1.25 pitch. Using a thread pitch gauge, I can confirm that the bolt is 1.25. The first thing that we will do is to get the drill bit for the M8 repair, and we'll put it in our drill, and it goes in like so. After drilling the hole and making sure that it's smooth, we will now use the included tab for the M8. We will then use the insert. This one is like a similar to the helicoil design, and it should thread nicely into the new hole that we just made. And then we will use the punch tool to punch out the, it's like a guide wire at the end of it. I don't know what it's called, but it's something that you use it to turn the actual coil, and you need to tap it out. And this is the tool which is also included in the kit. This is the tool that we need to use to just push it. That's it, all done. This is a new bolt, replacement bolt I also got from Supercheap. I'm gonna try see if it fits, and it should fit perfectly because it's the same pitch, 1.25 pitch. Yep, fits perfectly. This is now everything connected. It's just a matter of connecting the bracket with the bushing and putting grease. It works. So again, that's the ToolPro thread repair kit from Supercheap. Awesome.